This is my bicycle that has a car horn on it. As you can see, I have 2 horns. Here's the low tone, and here's the high tone. Now, how did I wire it up? Well, let's get to that right now. I'm going to show you how the negative is. Negative runs from that horn and this horn up this frame and to this 12-volt drill battery. Woo. Yeah, simple enough. And now, the positive. The positive runs from the battery up the frame, up this frame, into this button and this button. So no matter which button I push, they both set the horns off. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the positive also runs from this button and this button back down the frame into the high tone, which is spliced right there. Sorry about the video. There, see? High tone and the low tone. So not only is it easy to use, it's pretty doggone loud.